Welcome to qnawire.
We have the following table, and what we're going to do is apply Lambert's-Sambier law in order to get the results. Remember that absorbance is proportional to the concentration, according to absorbance is equal to epsilon times the path length of the light travel times c. So whenever we're given the absorbance of one compound and the concentration of another, what we're going to get is that absorbance 1 divided by absorbance 2 is equal to concentration 1 divided by concentration 2. Or another way to pose it is that the concentration for an unknown compound is going to be equal to A1 divided by A2 multiplied by the concentration of the known compound. So using this formula, I'm going to fill up the values on the table. I'm just going to do the first one as an example. The other two are I'm just going to state the results. And for the last place in here for patient 2, I'll do the problem whole again. So when we want to compare control A, the information that is given to us is that the absorbance of 1 is equal to 0.289. This is going to be our unknown variable. Absorbance of 2 of our known variable of the standard is equal to 0.274. And concentration of 2 would be equal to 50 milligrams per deciliter. So concentration is going to be equal to A1, 0.289 divided by 0.274 multiplied by 50 milligrams per deciliter. The result that we get for C1 is equal to 52.73 milligrams per deciliter. And since we're told to not put any decimal places for concentration, this would be equal to 53 milligrams per deciliter. So the first slot over here, we would get a 53. So for all of the other problems, the only thing that you need to replace for control AB and for patient 1, you just need to replace the value for A1 with the appropriate result. Doing that is going to give us 100 milligrams per deciliter. And on the other one, 678 divided by 0.274 times 50, we're going to get 124. So now we're going to proceed with the last question. In this case, we want to know what is going to be the absorbance given the value for the concentration. And we're going to apply the same formula. We're just going to rearrange it a little bit. The formula that we're applying is this one. So now we know that A1 is equal to C1 divided by C2 times A2. In our case, A1 is unknown. C1 is equal to 123 milligrams per deciliter. C2 is going to be one known. Let's pick the same, 50 milligrams per deciliter, which is going to have an absorbance of 0.274. Thus, A1 is equal to 123 divided by 50. Let me go down a little bit. Divided by 50 milligrams per deciliter times 0.274, which gives 0.674. So this would be the value that we should plug in this position. So that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.